Hello there, it's Shirley from WTI. When doing anything, I like to feel calm and also smell things that bring me peace. And this essential Air Wick lavender and chamomile oil is my favorite scent. I like my things or places to smell good, and this essential oil is literally my life. I can put it anywhere to refresh up, from my room to my bathroom, even in the kitchen. When I finish cleaning my entire room, I always use this scent because it brings freshness and a peaceful atmosphere, which I really need because I'm always busy and stressed. And it's not a strong smell, which I love because I can handle strong scents as they make me sneeze. But this Airwick, I don't have to worry about that. This Airwick Essential Lavender and Chamomile is my favorite aroma because it makes me feel cozy in my room and it feels like I'm in a garden, and that's my point of view.